Hi, my name is Colin Ryan, and this is Strategic Planning and Policies. 360 Optics is an optometry clinic, and our mission statement is to provide the highest quality healthcare to our patients and community while offering them affordable prices on any of their eye care needs. Our vision statement is to become one of the leading optometry practices in the area where patients will have access to the best healthcare in a safe and secure environment. Our first goal is to recruit and develop accomplished employees who strive to offer the best patient care. Our objectives to reach this goal are to create and further develop opportunities for patient care and growth, follow the company's code of conduct that supports great ethics and integrity, train employees so they are up to date on the latest healthcare standards and practices, and to track and measure patient satisfaction and care after each visit and make continual improvements. Our next goal is to increase patient volume and growth. Our objectives to reach this is maintain patient outreach, offer patients a portal for mobile healthcare and informational needs, schedule follow-up appointments, and offer outstanding patient care for future recommendations. Another goal is to secure patient privacy and information. Our objectives to reach this goal is to ensure security such as intrusion protection systems, intrusion detection systems, and next generation firewalls. Also, to have a HIPAA compliant medical server to store all patient data, secure private network for the clinic, VPN for employees to access, uninterrupted data, and data backup and recovery. So, potential impacts if patient privacy and security goals were not met would be patient health could be harmed, the company's reputation could be damaged, there's legal and ethical issues involved as well, malpractice suits, we could have data breaches and system downtime, which would prevent us from giving healthcare to our patients. So, compliance for this optometry clinic would be the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. So, this is privacy and security rules that are federal law. Patients have the right over their health information and rules on who can receive that information. Non-compliant in this would be improper documentation management, disclosure of PHI, and unprotected storage solutions. So, employees and their roles for security. The Chief Information Security Officer oversees all monitoring and risk the organization faces, as well as proposes new security procedures and audits to ensure continual network security. IT management monitors company devices and systems, scans for threats, and ensures employees' security training is up to date. Information security personnel will perform penetration testing, ensure all security standards and practices are being used. So, our division-specific tactical plan. To achieve our high-level plan, we want to work on tactics and strategies to achieve our objectives, and our objectives will reach our goals. Once a goal is reached, we want to maintain that goal and set new ones to further grow and work towards our vision statement. Actions required for our short-term goals would be to focus on strategies and improvements to efficiently reach our objectives in a timely manner while not sacrificing patient care or security. We can start this with security training and safe network practices, which would be an easy and obtainable short-term goal. Responsibilities for implementation of these is the Chief Information Security Officer and IT management will have the responsibility and communication of these goals and objectives in information security. If the employees are not aware of the goals, they will not be achieved. In our division-specific operational plan, resources allocated, resources will be given by the Chief Information Security Officer to decide where they're needed to reach and exceed security goals and objectives. Our desired outcome in this is offer the highest quality healthcare while not impacting patient privacy and security. Progress will be monitored through objectives and goals completed on timelines which help contribute to the overall mission and vision statement of 360 Optics. Audits on network monitoring will help track our security investments and progresses. This is a list of my references. Thank you for taking the time to listen.